One team, one family, one community as Manresas. Kindly give them a big applause. And so as we begin, let us open our hearts in gratitude for this special occasion. May the games, performances, the food, the music, and every simple moment of laughter remind us that God dwells in our delight and in our unity. And may this Family Day be a celebration that strengthens our bonds, inspire us to lift one another up, and Saint Candy reminds us that every family, every child, and every parent is a true blessing to our Manresan community. And so together, let us rejoice, share, and create memories that will continue to echo the spirit of love and service long after today. And so we pray that God, the Lord of life, may pour out His blessings upon our gathering today, filling it with delight, safety, and harmony. And may this Family Day be a grace-filled moment that deepens our bonds of love and reminds us that in every smile shared, in every act of kindness offered, His presence shines among us. May Mary, our loving Mother, wrap us in
Wala pang ikaw nakitang classmates.
and guide us
Bakit hindi pumunta yung classmates mo dito?
these 2 days of celebration. And may we leave this occasion renewed in spirit,
Wala pa iba.
strengthened in unity,
Baka doon kasi, the other classmates kasi, maybe they're eating.
one community.
Let's go.
So my dear parents and guardians, students, faculty and staff,
Want to watch?
guests,
Huh?
alumni, and friends
They're dancing
of
palito.
Manresa,
Oh,
a blessed
oh, hey.
morning,
Hello.
and may you truly delight in this family.
Oh, see?
God bless you all.
Oh, you want na? You want to play? Oh. What's that?
Thank you, Sister
Hi,
Marty.
Alexa Kulisaw.
We now warmly invite the President of the Manresa School Parents Auxiliary, Mrs. Rosemary Asi, to grace us with her welcome message.
Hi, Alexa Kulisaw. Kompleto ah. Kompleto yung ano mo ah.
Family Day 2026. Today we gather as one community to celebrate what truly matters. Family, togetherness, dignity, as Manresans. Commit, our team, journey as a one of love and service.
Relax. Alis na kami. Wala ka pang nakitang classmate? Wait. Eh? Yeah, go man. Let's go. What's that teacher? Huh?
Teacher Sabi, sir.
Where?
Teacher Sabi.
Where?
There.
Don't point it. What clothes? She's wearing. Huh? Light blue? Want to go? You say hi? Huh? Look at the small, oh. So small, oh.
What a drawing performance. Thank you. And once again, let's give a big round of applause for